Hey guys, so today we are looking at this Unreal Engine game, Styx Shards of Darkness. As you can see, I spent 29 hours in this game without making any progress, and for a reason. I tried to trick the AI. So what is Styx? It is a stealth game released in 2017 by Cyanide. These two humans you can see there are my targets. UE4SS is a plugin for Unreal Engine games 4 to 5. It's a modding tool where you can insert your own code into the game. Go to the official page and download the developer version. And paste the files in the same directory where you have your game.exe file. Place your script in the mods folder, and when you start the game up you should see this console, and there you can check if your mod loaded.
Tiny. Ow!
To know what Unreal Engine objects, functions, etc. exist, you have to know how they are called. So there exists this very useful feature which you can unlock if you press Ctrl H. It creates a dump into a dump.txt file where you can see all the interesting classes of the game. But the first thing I did was unpacking the files, and I used this tool Unreal Pack. You can just download it and you need to open a console to unpack it. And as you can see, there are many folders here where you can find interesting class names. You can also try to access with your Unreal Engine plugin. It was also helpful for me to look in the hex editor to find interesting functions I could try to access, or properties, enums, etc. Additionally, for a better overview, you can also download your asset GUI. There you can see all the stuff you can see in the hex editor, more structured and more information. Especially if you are trying to reverse engineer an AI, I would recommend to look at the Unreal documentation trees, how Unreal Engine 4 specifically uses them. My original plan was that the AI doesn't change to the state alert, but that didn't work out so well.
Tiny. Ow!
First things first, I tried to narrow down the patrols so I could access those that were in my near. I could get these with location functions. You can also find them in the Lua documentation. Found some interesting enums and alert levels, state changes, etc. I couldn't access them because they were in this class default object default AI state alert, and above that is AI state level, and I couldn't get any deeper than that. I couldn't relocate the various, so I had a look at the hex editor again and saw this movement component, so I stopped the movement component. That's the result. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.